Medrano, an entrepreneurship student of St. Louis University. As an entrepreneur, we have to build our entrepreneurial competencies to equip ourselves towards the entrepreneurial path. Through the BEEHIVE project, students are exposed to the entrepreneurial ecosystem that will help them build and enhance their entrepreneurial skills through their MOOC. Hey Charm!
Good day, I'm Charmaine Pulmano and also a fourth-year entrepreneurship student. You can start your entrepreneurial learning journey. You must first participate through registration. Go to their official website and complete your learner's profile by providing necessary information. The course is divided into units. Discussions are available in video presentation and video test, after which assignments are given for you to apply what you have learned. Success stories for you to be inspired and additional reading materials to elaborate the topic. You will work on your best idea in which you will further develop its marketing, financial, production, and human resource aspects.
Hi, I'm Neil Medrano, a fourth-year entrepreneurship student. As a student entrepreneur, the BEEHIVE Massive Open Online course really helped me figure out the strengths and weaknesses of a possible business. Through the various and many questions that require critical thinking, I was able to realize any flaws or anything that I had missed whenever creating a business plan. It also made me realize on what I can improve on in my current practicum. It really helped me a lot, especially not only now but also in the future, since I can apply what I have learned in creating future possible businesses.
Journey was an insightful learning experience, and it helped us develop our skills and business ideas. It would also be a helpful tool for us in the future in game-changing roles, both in job creation and personal development.